Assalamualaikum, my little brothers and sisters. Welcome back to our channel with Ryan and Ridwan. Today, I come back after a long time of baking. Do you want to know what I'm gonna bake today? Favorite M&M cookies. Now I can't wait to show you my favorite M&M cookies recipe. Let's start. So the ingredients you need is a full cup of brown sugar, a half cup of white sugar, and 2 large eggs. Also you need 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half cup of salted butter and 2.5 cup of flour. That's the very fun part of mixing. Now put all the ingredients in the mixing bowl. First, brown sugar, and then white sugar, and then 2 large eggs, and then vanilla extract. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. One and a cup of butter. Let's start mixing. Now I will mix all the flour. Put the speed too high or else the flour will burst in your face. The mixer. It's time to take off. My favorite part, M&M mixing. Okay. Now it's time for the M&M mixing part. Yeah. I think I need more. I love M&M. Now it's time to mix it again. Yeah. Now it's baking time. Don't forget to put your oven into 350 degrees tray and place a sheet on top of it. Two big heavy round spoon. Take 1.5 spoon and clean it with another spoon. This is how you place all the M&Ms like that, and now I'll put more M&Ms. That's because I love M&Ms. This is how I place all my cookies, and now I'm going to put it in the oven. It's ready to go in the oven. Look at my M&M cookie is ready. Now I will test it. Now I will taste it. So delicious. It's very extreme megastar good. Try this at home. It's so delicious. And then bring it at school for collation. So for today, I hope you learned something new from this video, and don't forget to take this in school. I'll come back with another recipe, inshallah, next time. Keep watching with Ryan and Ridwan. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.